What's up, everybody? This is Lawrence with Slackercast, here with another unboxing. First one I did was the Big Gold. If y'all remember my Crumron video a couple months back. I lied. I said that was going to be my last one, but I just couldn't resist. I had to get another one. I sold my Crumron, but I ended up getting one that was way better. This is actually going to be my last one. I hope. But I decided to do an unboxing video. So, I guess just stay tuned and enjoy. I'm going to do this. I haven't seen this yet. I have seen photos, and what we're about to unbox is the Altair Belts Allianas Big Eagle, the WWF scratch logo, white painted. My favorite version. And this will be the unboxing. I'll do a separate review later. So here goes, guys. Got my knife here. I have a box cutter, but I left it at my job. So yeah, it's sitting at the office right now. So we're gonna have to make do with this. Hopefully I don't cut the belt. How much would that suck? Fuck. I've never really done an unboxing video, or an unboxing. Well, no, I've unboxed things before. I just never done an unboxing video, so this is gonna be kind of weird. I might do some edits or something to. God, this thing is really secured. What the? I don't want to rip anything. Come on. I don't want to cut myself, and I don't want to rip anything. Box cutter would have been so much easier. Jeez. Oh, this thing is like stapled, glued, all kinds of crazy crap. I know Customs has been through this, so I don't know whether. Alright. Do some quick edits. But this is a genuine unboxing. I haven't seen this yet. Have not seen this yet. Fuck it. Oh god. Look at that plating, dude. The gold. Oh my god. This thing looks so fucking amazing. Hold on. It's tape. That's a fucking steak knife. Alright. Oh my god, dude. Like, you can see a million videos on this shit, and it's never like seeing it in person. Promise you. It's like Christmas, man. This box is fucking heavy. Oh my god. What was I cutting? It wasn't the belt. It wasn't the belt. I wasn't cutting the belt. Oh my goodness. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Box be gone. Alright, moment of truth, dude. The bubble wrap. You guys are seeing this, right? What the fuck? I take my fucking gloves off. I gotta feel this, dude. The leather. Smell the leather. Let's smell the leather. This is new Brazilian leather. Talk about that later in the review. Oh my god. The leather is real. The leather is real. I had a fake vinyl on my last belt. I have real leather now, not vinyl. Dude, this is just fucking amazing. Oh my god, Ollie. Thank you, Altair Belts. Like, what? Dude. Knife, get out of here. Guys, you ready? Here it is, man. What the fuck? Shit's so fucking clean, man. so fucking clean. And like the gems, man. Cubic zirconia, or he says Swarovskis. People debate, is it Swarovskis, is it not, is it cubics? I don't really care, man. I'm just happy to have this shit with the real fucking leather, with the Brazilian leather, man. But here it is, man. That's the unboxing. I got more with the review later. Check it out. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thank y'all. Bye.